like this one. This one was my parang pilot preview with the Sager Warriors. Sager Warriors is my supporters, so I really appreciate them. So I wanted to get together for an event and we watched the pilot week of Shining Inheritance because for me, it was an accomplishment for all of us. They were there with me since the start, since when I was in Canada pa. Having this milestone and watching it together was really a good moment for me, and I really appreciated their efforts and their support and their love. Without them, I wouldn't be here. So yeah, it was a good time lang where we got to celebrate together. Ayan naman, so that's also with my Sager Warriors, my supporters. Every anniversary ng Sager Warriors, we want to organize something where I can give back, where we can all give back. And this was a unique experience for me because it was elderly home care. So something that we didn't know was gonna happen, but we're so happy that it happened kasi seeing the smiles of the elderly, mga lola at lolo, natuwa lang ako. And kasi yung iba sa kanila nanonood ng Shining Inheritance at the time, so tuwan-tuwa ako because who would have thought na yung mga lola supported sa ganung serye. So I'm so thankful for them, and I'm just happy that we celebrated Christmas with them together.